Hi guys, welcome to another ACPE video. This video we are looking at target setting. So at the end of this video you'll know how to set targets for your PDP. When setting targets you need to remember the acronym SMART targets. So S for specific, M for measurable, A for adjustable, R for realistic and T for time related. So the first part is S for specific. So it needs to be specific to the individual and the activity and their development need. And the target should not be vague. So, for example, I want to be better at badminton. It's a really vague target. You need to be clear and precise. For example, I want to improve the success rate of my smash in badminton. M is for measurable. When setting targets, they need to be measurable, so it's easy for you to know when you've achieved your target or not. For example, to lower the SCAT test score from 20 to 18. Clearly measurable, and it's really easy to identify if you've improved and you've not. The next one is adjustable. So target setting is a dynamic process and you need to be able to adapt changes and alter your targets. So for example, if a performer is injured, then their goals or targets could change. R is for realistic. So when setting targets, it needs to be something that you're able to achieve. If it's not realistic, then you're more likely to lose motivation as you can't achieve the target you have set for yourself. So for example, if you're to beat Usain Bolt in the 100 metres as your target, that is not realistic. A more realistic target would be something along the lines of to improve my 100 metre time by 0.25 seconds. Finally, we have time related. You should always aim to achieve something in a set time period. So you should have a clear endpoint for your target. So short term leading to long term goals. Short term you're looking for weekly or for each training session, and then long term is for over a year, a season, or an end of an 8-week PDP. An example question you might get asked about setting targets would be something like, explain what a performer may consider when setting goals for the physical factor. So again, it's a 4-mark question. You'll need to follow the cause, example, effect structure for an explain. And there's 4 marks there, and you've got SMART, so you could talk about specific, measurable, adjustable, realistic and time related. There's 5 parts there. Talk about 4 of those to gain your 4 marks. An example answer you might have for the question would be something along the lines of, a performer should make sure that their goals are specific. For example, improving my CRE by increasing my score in the bleep test. This means they can focus more closely on a certain element of their development need and give them a clear aim to focus upon, which can lead to them improving in that area. Another answer again you might give would be, the performer should also ensure that their goal is realistic. And this means they can set a target that is challenging but not overstretching, which can ensure that they remain motivated. For example, to score 8 goals in a season. This can then lead to them giving 100% in all sessions, as they know the improvements are within their reach and they'll be willing to keep persevering. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have plenty more videos regarding all things physical education in Scotland. See you on the next vid.